everybody. Today we are doing a spa day, but it's a spa day for our microfiber. So I got a little bit of everything here. I got a towel. It is a body towel, like face cloth. Dish towel, the dish rag. I love this thing. Dusting mitts. I got the wand in here too somewhere. There it is. I got the dusting wand. You remember cleaning the baseboards? Yeah, it needs loving. So everything's gonna go in. And I also have my towels in here too because I just need to get the machine filled up. Because I do wash all of my towels and everything else separately from everything. Because I do wash them just a smidge bit different. Okay, so vinegar for the fabric softener again. It's right on in there. I need to get a smaller jug so I don't have to keep like banging this thing around because it's not the easiest in the world. I'm going to use some of the Bright and White because I just want that little bit extra, but I'm not going to use a full scoop. I'm just going to use a half scoop just to really get these clean. And then we're going to use the microfiber cleaner. I use this anytime I wash towels now because I find it really helps. No matter what I did, I used to have like my dish towels would get this really funky smell to them. Never could figure it out. I could do anything to get them clean. Boil them, like soak them in vinegar, soak them in OxyClean. I've even used bleach. Could never get rid of that funk smell. Since switching to doing it this way, I don't deal with that anymore. Never again will I deal with that. And then today we're going to use the liquid laundry detergent. 2 pumps. So I set mine to heavy soiled, hot wash, bulky, 2 rinses because we're going to get everything out. We're going to get it good and clean, and then we're going to let it rinse again to make sure everything is out. And then of course water level, deep water, because I have a big machine. It just works better for me that way. Okay, and we're going to start it. Then we're going to be back in this takes about an hour and a half-ish. I do say ish. Okay, so we're back. Okay, so now we're done. Now we gotta go into the dryer. Oop. And have someone investigate. I'm waiting for you to poke your nose onto it. Well, I don't know if kittens belong in the dryer, dude. Okay, now he's left it alone. I'm gonna toss all 6 of the dryer balls in there, and this will probably have to go around twice, but we'll see.